Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video ay prepare tayo ng simple garden soil. Ayan, meron po tayong eggshell, meron po tayong loam soil, at meron po tayong coco peat. Ayan mga kaibigan. So, ayan po yung mga kailangan natin. Ayan, makikita nyo po, naka-ready na po. Shout out po sa lahat ng mga nanonood tonight. Ayan, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Shout out sa aking mga members. Unang-una na kay Ma'am Brit Pinay Joining, Mama Buhay Channel HK, Kambal Yam and Zet, Ate Vilma Landicho Vlogs, Ate Maria Variety Vlogs, and si Stacy Succulent and Cocktail Lover. So, ayan mga kaibigan, magpe-prepare na po ako ng ating simple garden soil o yung tinatawag nilang mga lupa para sa pagtatanim. Ayan mga kaibigan, nilagay ko siya sa mga lagayan na basahan para ma-crush ko po yung ating eggshell. So, ayan mga kaibigan, so nilagay ko po muna dito sa ating lagayan, sa ating batya, yung ating loam soil. So, inuna ko po munang ilagay ang loam soil. Loam soil describes the ideal soil composition for the most garden plants. It is generally contain more nutrients, moisture, and humus than sandy soils. So, ayan mga kaibigan. Yun pong loam soil na yan is nabili ko po sa bayan. I bought it in the market. So, ready to use na po itong soil mixture na to for everyday gardening needs and best for ornamental plants. At nilagyan ko po din siya ng coco peat. So, yung coco peat po, it is used as a growing medium or substrate for growing plants. It is organic material made from coconut husk used to improve aeration, keeping the soil loose and well draining. Ayan mga kaibigan. And then, nag-crush po ako ng mga eggshell. Ayan, using hammer and old clothes. Ayan mga kaibigan. Eggshells are made almost entirely of calcium carbonate, which is exactly made of our nails, teeth, and bones. Ayan, for yun po ay maganda rin po sa halaman kasi meron po siyang calcium. So, hindi lang pala yung mga egg, hindi lang ang benefits niya ay maganda sa kalusugan ng tao, kundi yung mga eggshell niya or yung balat ng itlog ay nakakatulong din magbigay ng calcium sa ating mga plants. So, ayan mga kaibigan, shout out po sa mga nanonood ng ating live stream. Ayan, si Love Giselle Garcia, mega love shout out, Ma'am Mildred Lifestyle, Ma'am Jonah. Ayan, Ma'am Jonah. Mahaba yung name ni Ma'am Jonah. Hindi ko nasa ulo. So, ayan, habang nagka-crush tayo ng eggshell, shout out muna tayo. Korean Friend TV, I don't know the name. Dongbert, Mamaylin Raka, Sir Ricky Oronan, shout out. Sir David, Epi, Sir Dario de Guzman, Ma'am March, Ate A Support, May Simple C, ayan, shout out Sir Tommy One, Succulent Dabang, Syra Cat Kitchen and Vlogs, Beauty Little Star, God Repairs, Punam Rajput, Sis Ems Birde, Mama Donna TV, Miss Dayang Lovelace in Texas, Mami Marites, Sir JC is over, Sir Paul Denam, Sir Eric Langkis, Little Chef, Ekil Bat, Kisi, Momin, ayan, si Stacy Succulent and Cocktail Lover, ayan, mega love shout out, Sir Richard Johnson, Sir Poy Poy, Sir Johnny, Miss Andrea Maria, and Alpreman, mega love shout out. Mega love shout out din po, Ma'am Lisa Jane Caballero, Mami Mel's Channel, Ma'am Karen Bagaporo, Jomtem 4173, Gemma Serama 4830, Ma'am Katis Daily Life, Ma'am Gina Choco, Ma'am Tess in Pangasinan, Ma'am Tess in Switzerland. Mega love shout out po. Ayan, i-mix together po natin ang ating loam soil, ang ating coco peat, and ang ang ating crush eggshell. Ayan. Tuloy natin ng shoutout. Shoutout din po kay Ma'am Jocelyn OFW Taiwan, Kabiteño Farmer, Ma'am Jane Plant Collection, Malik Amar, ayan, A Day with Mama E, Trader Juan, ayan, Crops, Plants, and Succulent with Ma'am Jonah, ayan, Mama Jacqueline, Eregi, ayan, Annalyn, Eberico, Idol Guardia Inventor, thank you so much, Ma'am Bergie Costillas, Bisaylak Vlog, Hauka, ayan, Kanya pa rin, and Palma, hello, Cheloncho TV, Ma'am Gracie, si Charlotte Ching, ayan, si Stu Masinas, Batanes Island, Ate A Support, Cherry's Classroom, ayan, Mama Donna, Jaldo Official, Love Giselle Garcia, Sir Tommy Juan, Giselle Garcia, Naya Vlog, Solution Kona, ayan, mega love shout out. So, yun po, hanggang sa muli po, ito po lang po yung aking ma-share ngayong araw na ito, kung paano mag-prepare ng simple garden soil. So, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, palike po ang ating video, mag-iwan po ng comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated. Again, thank you very much for watching my videos and live stream. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. God bless us all. Bye-bye.